friends, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are smile and good health on your faces. The new chapter of this video is The Thief's Story. Students, still now we have completed our 2 chapters of the first flight, okay, 1 chapter of the footprints without feet and the portion of 12 tenses. Okay, today is the new chapter of your footprints without feet. The chapter name I have told you before a while, which has been written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, the thief's story. You must know about the characters, the summary of this story, the guidelines which have been given through message in this story, because this story is related with message giving and moral story. Why? What are the reasons behind this? Why I am saying this story is message giving story? Because the human relationships, because the human bonding, human values which are very important in everybody's life, not only in thief's life but also in everybody's life, because all these characteristics, all these good virtues of human beings can change the thief's mind, can change or mold any person's evils. Okay, these things have been well described in this chapter by some characters. Okay, there are 2 main characters in this story. The first character is Anil. Who is Anil? And second one is Hari Singh. Okay, Hari Singh, as you know, is a thief in this story. Okay, Hari Singh is not a real name of a thief, but a name which was taken by Hari Singh himself. Why he is taking these types of lying names? Because he lied with Anil, my name is Hari Singh. Okay, these type of names are taken by this thief. Why? Due to escape from the police. Okay, for the narrow escaping mysterious deed he wanted to take from the police and all the employers in his field. Anil. First we take the example of Anil, then Hari Singh. Anil was a 25 years old. On the other hand, Hari Singh 15 years old. Right? Anil is very generous person, very kind and especially careless person. Okay, not greedy person. On the other hand, Hari Singh is a thief who wanted to take all the benefits from Anil. Okay, first you should come to know how these 2 persons met together. Okay, how these 2 persons approached. The chapter starts from the line, from the statement, I was still a thief of 15 years old. Means who? Hari Singh. Okay, I took this name by narrow escaping, and I wanted to take the benefit of Anil. When I saw Anil was watching the wrestling match. Anil was watching the wrestling match. After seeing Anil, Hari Singh assessed him that it was very easy to take the confidence of Anil. Then how can I solve my purpose of theft from Anil? It is very easy because Anil is not looking greedy person. Anil is not looking very cautious person. That's why it's very simple for me, okay, to take anything from Anil. Okay, Hari Singh. When Hari Singh saw Anil, he asked one question and he said one thing more. What was that thing? You are looking like a wrestler. Anil was surprised, okay, but he didn't show any bit of surprise. Really, am I looking like a wrestler? He talked about many wrestlers. He talked about the characteristics of wrestlers. Then he smiled, okay. Hari Singh got all these things from Anil and he asked one question more. can I do something for you? Means, can I have some type of work at your home? Anil said, okay, no problem. If you want to do something else at my home like a service, you can, but I can't pay for your work. Hari Singh replied, it's okay. Can I cook something at your home? Anil replied, yes, of course you can cook easily. Okay. And Hari Singh cooked at that night. And all those materials, all those types of food, what Hari Singh made or prepared at that night at a home of Anil, all those types of food, okay, was thrown away by Anil to stray dogs. But Anil didn't show anger. Anil didn't show any type of anti-reaction of bad food. After that, gradually, Hari Singh came to know that Anil was a struggler. Anil was a struggling writer, and maybe Anil is doing something else to have his livelihood. Later, Anil patted on the head of me. Means Hari Singh noticed Anil was cooperating me. Anil was supporting me. Don't worry at all. What's the problem if you cooked bad? Okay, if you didn't cook very well, don't problem. Okay, you don't have to face any problem. Never mind. I'll teach you how to cook. I'll teach you how to write your name, Hari Singh. I'll teach you how to write full sentence. I'll teach you how to add the numbers, and all these things will serve you in your life. Definitely. After listening these important things, Hari Singh was surprised. Really, I could learn all these things. After that, next morning, Hari Singh prepared tea in the morning, and he was busy to take all the day supplies, and even a rupee he was found in a profit. But he didn't react that, yes, I took profit. After some time, he noticed, yes, Anil was a struggling writer, what I thought before a while. Okay, it was good assumption what I thought. Anil said that, really, I sold a book to a publisher, and I am writing something for magazines, and it is a clear way to earn something else in my life, and it's very important livelihood for me. Okay, when Hari Singh saw small bundle of notes, he was curious to take the money. But how was it easy to take the money from Anil? Yes, it was very easy, because Hari Singh saw and noticed where Anil kept that bundle. Means under the mattress Anil kept that bundle. When Anil slept, Hari Singh took a chance to rob Anil. Right? Anil was asleep. Hari Singh came towards that mattress where Anil kept that bundle. Okay. And Hari Singh slid gradually and took the money from the mattress. After that, he thought, yes, easily I can catch 10:30 express to Lucknow if I took all these money. Hari Singh ran away towards the road. Okay. And he reached at the station. After reaching the station, he saw that the Lucknow Express was on high speed, and it's not possible to catch that train because I was unable to take the ticket. I didn't see ticket office still now. I didn't take any type of ticket in my life. So how can it be possible I can purchase that ticket? He ran towards platform, and at last Hari Singh lost the train. After missing the train, Hari Singh was wandering here and there at the station, and there was nobody else. There was nobody else to whom Hari knew very well, despite Anil. Okay, because instead of Anil, there was no one else to whom Hari Singh knew very well. On the other hand, Anil was very kind person for Hari Singh. That's why Hari Singh never want to get rid of Anil. Now the students, beginning part and mid part, okay, I explained today. And the concluding part of this story I'll tell you in next video. I hope you understood all these concept of this story. Thank you.